In today's video, I'm going to teach you use OneNote like a digital notebook. Create notebooks, divide them into sections, then add pages where you type, draw, and attach content. It automatically saves and syncs through your Microsoft account. Before we click around, it helps to picture how OneNote is organized. A notebook is like a binder you keep for a big area of your life, such as work, school, or personal planning. Inside that binder are sections which act like the colored tabs you flip through for things like meetings or projects. Within each section are pages, the individual notes, such as a client meeting summary or a class lecture. Once you have that mental model, the rest makes perfect sense. Go ahead and open OneNote and sign in with your Microsoft account so your notes can automatically save and sync. Create your first notebook by choosing File, then New, or use the plus Notebook button. Give it a clear name, and for the best syncing across devices, choose OneDrive as the location. After the notebook is created, add sections from the sidebar using the plus section button and give them names that match how you think. Then add pages from the right pane with the plus page button and type a short descriptive page title at the top so it's easy to find later. Taking notes is as simple as clicking anywhere on a page and typing. Each note you create sits in a movable container so you can drag it around and arrange ideas visually. Use the Home tab to format text with fonts, sizes, colors, bullets, checkboxes, and headings to create structure. When you need more than text, open the Insert tab to add pictures or screenshots, attach files, or insert printouts like PDFs and PowerPoints. You can also record audio notes or drop in links. If you prefer handwriting or need to highlight, switch to the Draw tab and use a stylus or mouse. To stay organized, apply tags from the Home tab, such as to do, important, or question, so key lines stand out. The search box lets you search across all notebooks, and it even finds words and images and handwritten notes. When a topic grows, right-click a page and choose Make Subpage to nest related notes together for a cleaner view. Because your notebook is in OneDrive, everything syncs across PC, web, and mobile. Use Share to invite others or copy a link, selecting whether people can view or edit. Edits show up almost in real time with recent changes highlighted. If you share what you plan to use OneNote for, I can outline a tailored setup with concrete examples. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more OneNote tips and tutorials.